Hi, my name is Sam, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Okay, I've been reading this book for a while, and I wanted to tell you my opinions. It's called The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, and it's by Suzanne Collins, who also wrote the Hunger Games trilogy, which I read all of them. Yeah, I read all of them. Yeah, there's some spoilers in this video, so I'm gonna get into a minimum. In general, I liked the book, but it was a bit lackluster. What I want to see from a fourth Hunger Games book, just a bit, because I feel like the book is about 500-ish pages. I feel like if we could have cut that down a bit, I think we could have cut that down a little bit, because in parts it kind of got a little bit boring. I feel some parts were kind of unnecessary, and we could have just cut those parts out, I think. Yeah, but I did find part 2 in the actual Hunger Games part kind of fun, to see how all these people kind of died. That's kind of morbid, isn't it? Yeah, it's kind of morbid. But I did find part 2 pretty fun. But yeah, the story was a bit stretched. I feel like we could have cut it down a bit. And also, as a cause of that, there was a lot of unnecessary characters. I feel like we didn't need to know all of the characters in the beginning. I feel like they didn't have much of an impact on the actual game to say, or the ending. Yeah, I didn't really like it that much. The amount of characters in this book, it's just a lot of characters. Yeah, just in the beginning, Coriolanus's classmates, they were a bit, one, boring, 2, unnecessary, so yeah, could have done a little less of that. Talking about the characters, the main character, Coriolanus, it's kind of cool to see how he went from a semi-decent person to just straight evil, literally watching his best friend die because of a crime he did. That kind of cemented him as an evil person, and it's cool to see him, his slow descent into being and how the Hunger Games developed, of how it went from kind of being something to show the districts, oh, this is what happens when you rebel, to being a show. The people who at the beginning thought of it as just a punishment knew that the only way to make it continue to go on for 75 games was to make it be a show, yeah, and have fan and stuff, and how it all developed, and how Coriolanus is kind of a part of that, and his dad was too. I feel there's too many callbacks to the trilogy. It's kind of cool to see it, but to see callbacks to the trilogy, Heaven's Be Hall, but some of them were a bit much. His hatred of mockingjays. I feel while I do think he wouldn't have really cared for them, I feel his hate of them came out of nowhere, and I knew what she was trying to do, because Katniss, Mockingjay-esque, but for me at least, it kind of didn't really make as much sense to me. I feel it was kind of squeezed in that, but it wasn't that bad. It's kind of a nitpick. Yeah. Also, I kind of wish that Snow wasn't the protagonist. I really wish we could have seen the inner workings of some of the other districts that we didn't get to see much of in the trilogy, because we got to know what industry every town is, and if how District 11 is kind of a simulation of kind of a callback to the antebellum South, and yeah, but we didn't get to see much of other places in the other districts in the Hunger Games, and I really wish that they instead of just Snow being the protagonist. Maybe another person from another district winning the games. But, you know, who knows? Maybe we should do another one. I wish we really got to know more about how Panem started, like what were the events that led up to the formation of Panem, which led up to these oligarchs, these really rich families that kind of control all Panem, and then one of them becoming the president that makes now, and yeah, I really wish we could have gone more than that, because even in this, like, it's kind of assumed that like a massive catastrophe destroyed America and they're just living the remains of it. Like, what happened? I really wish we went further back. Maybe. Yeah, so yeah. But in general, I think this book was pretty good. Like, it could have been a lot worse. I'll tell you that. I think it was okay. But do you think it could have been a lot better? But it was still pretty good. Like, the songs were nice, even though there were quite a lot of songs and just pages of songs. But like, the songs themselves were like pretty good. I think the relationship with Lucy Gray and Cornelius was kind of interesting. How it went from like him needing her to him really liking her to him wanting to kill her, and how he just kind of turned away from the concept of love completely, and kind of the cliffhanger of not knowing whether Lucy Gray survived or not is kind of really cool, but yeah, it's a bunch disappointing. But in general, I think The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes was a pretty darn good novel. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Sorry if it's too long. Yeah, it's my first video, so bye.